Today we're going to do a full review of the Ape Labs Neon Pix tubes. Now Ape Labs sent me a set of 6 of these bad boys in exchange for the review, but as always, my opinions are my own. I'm not being coerced in any way. They just wanted me to try them out, and I did at 4 different gigs. So here's the lights, people. So I have them in the hard case here. If you order the set of 6 with the hard case, it comes with a Pelican-like hard case, super legit, very, very nice. It might even be a Pelican, I don't even know. And then the case is kind of set up to charge it. Very, very intuitive. It just plugs into the 6 tubes here, and then you have one wire coming out to charge them. It's pretty cool when they charge too, they kind of breathe. So when they're charging, they all breathe red, but then as they become fully charged, each tube goes green and breathes green, you know, kind of comes in and out. So you can clearly see when they're done charging, which I thought was really cool. And then the whole kit itself comes with 6 of these little stands here, right? So you can put the lights on there so you're ready to go. It also comes with this little IR remote that works really, really well, and you can do a lot of things with. So you can literally just control these lights just with the IR remote, not needing anything else. The case itself, I think, is very, very well designed. It fits the tubes absolutely perfect. I actually dropped this case a couple times and nothing broke. It was totally by accident. I wasn't trying to test it like that, but just so you know, it's droppable. Also, it has a slot here for the Connect 2.0, which if you end up getting that, and we're gonna talk about that in a little bit, it makes it nice and easy so you don't have to have a separate case for that. But honestly, the whole case with the lights itself is only about 40 pounds, so it's still light enough where you can kind of carry it on your side. So you got options, people. Not too bad at all. Now, this is honestly my first ever experience with Ape Labs. I never touched these lights before, and I gotta say, I'm a little impressed. They're kind of like the Apple of lighting. Like, everything's very intuitive. It works extremely, extremely well, and the quality of lighting overall is honestly the best I ever used, and I'll explain why. So first of all, they're really light. They're about 2.5 pounds a piece, so they're very easy to maneuver around and whatnot. They're about 39 inches long, about 2 inches wide or so, and they have 180 degrees of coverage, meaning the light comes from one half, right? So this is the 180 side that has the light. The other 180 side is white, just like this. Spec-wise, these are RGB with warm white. They are super bright at 750 lumens. There's 96 LEDs per tube with 32 controllable pixel zones. It produces a 2700K warm white, which is perfect for dinner. Photographers love this, first dance, things like that. And it has a CRI rating of 90 out of 100. Now, if you're not familiar, CRI is the color rendering index. It's basically how accurate this light can reproduce colors. And it is 90 out of 100, which means it is beautifully accurate, like almost a perfect score. And that really matters because when you get to the cheaper lights and you try and make certain colors that aren't just regular blue or regular red, you'll notice that they're just off a hint. You have trouble matching certain colors or matching certain themes. It doesn't happen with this. This is deadly accurate. And I tried this at 4 different gigs. It truly is. Like, there's not much this light can't do. I was very, very impressed with the quality of light overall as well. Now, it's battery powered with wireless CRMX built in. And the battery, by the way, lasts 15 hours at full brightness, okay? Not just on chilling. 15 hours at full brightness. I use these at 3 different gigs without charging them, full through. And I will admit, like, they were on about 5 hours per gig, right? There were weddings. Early on during dinner, I didn't have them full blast, but the entire dance set, I blasted them at full blast while controlling them. And they lasted 3 full gigs without needing a charge. So, to me, that's insane. You only have to charge these bad boys once a weekend. Now, there's 3 ways to control these lights. One is with the included IR remote, pretty self-explanatory. And this does more than most IR remotes, okay? You can adjust brightness on this. You could do a lot of different things. It's really cool, and they all kind of connect and work really well together. Now, if you want to expand it to the next level, you can use these with the Ape Labs app. The Ape Labs app is super solid as well, but to use the app, you do need to purchase the Ape Labs Connect IP 2.0. So they sent me this. This comes in white and black, and this allows you to either DMX this with the app or use it with other programs, like I used it with my Wolf Mix personally. Now, yeah, I get it, this is extra, you have to buy this separate, but this is the part that actually really blew my mind about these lights. So this is essentially a wireless transmitter box, like the one you probably use. A lot of us use the $25 one off of Amazon, right? We're all guilty of it. They all work the same, yada, 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 but this is on another level. First of all, it's battery powered, and it lasts for 50 hours. 50 hours. That's how long it lasts, okay? I haven't charged this once yet. It does not die. 50 hours of battery life. So it's just one less cord you have to run, and you barely have to charge this thing at all. Second of all, it runs on CRMX. Now, if you're not familiar with what that is, I'll explain right now. So DMX is digital multiplex. CRMX is cognitive radio multiplex. It's essentially the professional industry standard of wireless DMX. Basically, if you go see a concert in a stadium, they're using CRMX to run their lights. Until I got these lights, I never even heard of CRMX, and I did some research, and it's actually insane. So first of all, you know how far the distance is? Okay, you know how far you can go with these lights from this box? 3,900 feet.
What did he say?
That's the distance. That's the wireless area of this box. 3,900 feet. That's over a half a mile. So if you've ever had wireless connection issues in the past, it's gone. You're not gonna have anything with this. It's just insanely robust. CRMX literally has technology built in to resist interference. It has a super strong signal, and it has automatic adaptation. Basically, it just works flawlessly. Like, you can't, especially like in a private event type thing where we're just in one ballroom, like most of us use it, it's bulletproof. It's 1000% bulletproof. You cannot get this thing to disconnect or a light to mess up or anything. Your lights will work flawlessly every single time. This is literally the industry standard for pro stuff, like way beyond private events. And ever since I got these tubes and was introduced to the Ape Labs ecosystem and the CRMX and everything, I've been kicking myself. Like, I feel like I've been doing lights wrong all this time, because admittedly, you know, I have some Chinese lights and stuff, and I've had signal issues a lot, okay? I mean, depending on the room or whatever, I don't even know what the factors are, but sometimes lights go out, come back in, you know, it's embarrassing with uplights and everything else. And now I kind of want everything to be on this whole ecosystem. Like, I'm blown away. I really am blown away. It's no joke, people. Now, the app is very cool, tons of presets, very customizable. You could do anything you want with these lights, but then you also have settings where you could set it to DMX mode. You could set the channels of each tube. That way you can control it on a woof mix or a sound switch or anything you're using a DMX. It's very, very universal. I used to think that Ape Labs only worked with Ape Labs stuff, but it's not true. You can add these to any existing lighting setup. And it works really well. Basically, this box has Bluetooth, and that's how it connects to your phone with the app, and then it's plug and play. Now let's talk price. So the price of these things aren't the cheapest in the world, but they're not the most expensive either. I feel like they're kind of middle in the road, and it's a phenomenal value for what you get. So basically, the case I have, the hard case with the 6 lights and everything, IR remote, the little stands that come with it and whatnot, are $31.99 retail. If you get it with the soft bag, it's $25.99 retail. So you still get the 6 lights and everything, but it just comes in a soft bag, and you have to, like, it's not a self-charging case or whatever. And the Connect box right here goes for $3.99 retail. Now, if you want to save some money on these though, hear me out. I don't want to make any guarantees, but as of now, if you go to kpodj.com, I'll link everything in the description, and you sign up for an account, you get a VIP account with them, you get a deeper discount on all of these lights, and you save a solid chunk of money, and it makes them even more affordable. So I mean, no offense to the other retailers that sell these, but like, I kind of think that KPO is the way to go as far as ordering Ape Labs in general, because best prices online by far. But let me know what you think, people. Is this something you'd consider? Are you using tubes now? Are you not a tube person? Put it in the comments.